Welcome back to another episode of Midwest Family Outdoor Adventure. It was a wild one this weekend. We got into some fish, but we ran into quite the storm getting off the lake here. We are almost off there, the Berkness crew right there. We will catch up with you guys out on the lake. Boom! Essentials to ice fishing right there. Hair curlers, you can't run away. Gotcha. The camera's not even on. Look at that, guys. Rainy. That's why the reason she looks so beautiful in the last video is just careful, delicate hair care process. Like, Rainy, what's the strategy to look good ice fishing? Can we check those curlers out?
No, go away.
Okay, all right, well, she didn't put curlers in my hair, so we'll see what it looks like. All right, we are stopping for gas here, just getting everything fueled up here. All right, everybody, we are here. Kids, how was the car ride?
Yeah, but I'm tired.
You're tired? All right, we're gonna get onto our spot. I just talked to Tate's. They are set up, caught a few small walleyes. We are on the lake, ladies and gentlemen. It is a lot warmer than it was last week. It is 21 degrees Fahrenheit for those of you that don't live in the US, and so perfect temperatures. Gonna have a good night. We're gonna get set up, might fish a little bit, and then we'll get the kids to bed so that we can hit it hard tomorrow. But we're just cruising out here. As you guys can kind of see out there, there's some lights. Those are all fish shanties or fish houses out in the lake here. So we're gonna focus on driving out in the ice here, and then we will catch up with you guys when we start to get things set up. Denny! How we doing, Denny?
Hey, good.
Good. That's not Walter Matthau from Grumpy Old Men. That's actually Denny.
Yeah.
He's changed costume since you've seen him last.
My fishing costume on.
I love it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get pulled up here.
You gonna go between me and Kyle?
Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna go right here. That's Snowbank. So between you and Tay, I'm gonna be like this way,
side.
running north and south.
I'm
so.
in 31 feet.
And he said he's in 26.
Yeah.
So I'll probably split the difference in between you.
Getting a lot of them right at 31. So.
Rock and roll. Maybe I'll cheat a little bit deeper then.
Wow.
But yeah, I'll split the difference between us so we're spread out.
All right.
Hi James, what did we just get to doing? You sleepy? Oh. Right now we are here at ice fishing. Taylor just set up a couple holes, as you can see.
He's in all the holes. Daddy drilled them and Uncle Tay got them all ready to fish. We're fishing now.
My dad drilled them. Dad, can I check this one?
We're gonna leave the lines down so you can catch fish.
And if you can see, there's some pretty big ones in there.
Wild.
That was all the way under the water,
You're pretty darn active.
That was all the way under the water.
No, it's not, buddy.
Janice, we're getting ready for bed. Mom's just decorating. So what are you doing?
Getting your bags situated.
Okay. She does all the boring. She does all the boring stuff. Can I talk now? Yeah. James, what are you doing? I'm a sassy pants.
Maybe I'm gonna try to get this together.
Okay. And Mom's setting up baskets. And Bo is sleeping. And about to lift the camera.
Slow down, Evelyn.
It's okay. It's okay. Take your time. Only 2 people can do it. Okay, Evelyn, you get the next one, baby. It's okay. We're catching them. If we get too many hands, get it in the middle of the hole, James. Middle of the hole, bud. There we go. High five. All right, guys, it is late. We got everything set up. We had a little bit of action, caught a couple of keeper walleye, a little on the smaller end, but definitely good enough for a keeper size, so that's a good sign. Kids are in bed. Rainey and I are gonna finish getting the fish house all set up, and then we're gonna head to bed too. We will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Have a good night. Good morning, everybody. We are off to a great start here this morning. Evelyn, just caught a keeper, right? Keeper walleye. Good morning. What are you doing now? Getting your brother all ready to go? James, you caught a fish too this morning, didn't you, buddy? All right. They are in the zone. They're getting their rods rigged up because they want to start jigging because the fish are moving through. So just went out and gassed up the Jenny. Maybe I'll take you outside here and show you what the weather looks like. All right, let's see what the weather looks like here. Ooh-wee. There we go. So we got some of the guides moving in over there. As you guys can tell, she's pretty windy out here. Pretty windy. So, yeah. Supposed to be a warmer day today, a little bit of wind. Well, hopefully we can get some of the big ones to bite here, but anytime we're out on the ice, it's a great time. We'll see how things keep going here. Go slow. There it is right there. Yep, it's just small wall. That's a good job.
Keeper?
Nope. Hey, good job, though. Right in the, hey, see how you hooked him in the top of the mouth there? Perfect job. Come.
I see him. Is it a keeper?
Good job, Evelyn.
Keeper?
I don't think that one's a keeper. High five. Way to go, girly. Good job.
He is a big one.
Well, that's a good size,
He
yeah.
is a biggie.
Yeah,
Is
hold
he
on.
gonna keeper?
We'll see.
I don't know.
I think he's a keeper. He's biting pretty good.
Keep your rod low, but you're doing great. Keep reeling. Okay, slow. Nice and slow. You're doing good.
Dad, we literally just set it down.
I
Is
know
it
that
a
was
keeper?
good. I don't think so, baby. Say bye, fish.
Bye, fish.
Awesome, awesome. Way to go, kiddo. Way to go.
Ah, he got off.
Shucks.
You have
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, go.
James, come here. Come do it. Keeper!
No, I don't think that's a keeper,
What's
but
that? Dad!
good job, guys.
It's not a fish! Is this a keeper?
slow, slow. I want you to go slow. Good job, buddy. Good job. Okay, go slow. Go middle of the hole. Middle of the hole here. Okay, go slow. Go slow. Okay, keep pulling. You're doing good. Okay, slow, 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 slow. Okay, pull up.
Is it a keeper?
No, that's the one's going back, but nice work. High five.
Hold it up. Let's see it.
There we go.
Can you take a picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. There we go, James. Good job.
Can I set the hook?
Go ahead and sit it. Pop it hard.
Oh,
Yep, he's
there's
on.
something on.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. Keep pulling. You're doing great. Keep pulling, baby. You're doing great. Nice and slow. You're doing great. You're doing great. Keep pulling. Keep pulling.
That's me.
Keep pulling. Is the flag still there? Yep, keep pulling.
Dad, can I do another one after that?
Keep pulling. Okay, slow down. Slow down.
No.
Slow down. Slow down.
I see the fish.
Slow down.
Evelyn, I see
James,
it.
quiet.
That's a keeper.
Whoa, keeper!
Nice, Evelyn. Great job.
Girl, look at it.
Whew.
What I gotta do is stick your finger in its gill like that. Come over here. Stick your finger right there. It's okay. You got it, girl. Just stick your finger in there and squeeze. Squeeze now. Pinch like that. Yep. See? Hold up for mom.
Great
Get a picture.
job. Girls, what are we doing?
We do this side.
Oh, we're just getting a
We're just chilling out with my Stitchy friends because I love Stitch. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo. I even have a Stitch hat.
I love it. Cute.
Is he there? Hit it hard as you can. Hard. Pull. You got him. All right. All right. See him? Ooh. If he wants to go, you let him go. Okay. Yep. Just let him go if he wants to go, Lily. Ooh. 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 Keep pulling. Keep pulling. You still got him? Mm-hmm. All right. Keep pulling. Don't let slack. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Okay. All right. Slow here. Slow. 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 Real slow. Okay. Real slow. Real slow. Hold on. Let him go. 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 Good job. Good job. Good job. If he wants to swim, you got to let him swim. I got to get this on the line.
He can't swim.
I know. He'll still try and swim. All right. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, look at that one, Lily. Now that's a fight. Yeah, we got him. Way to go, Liliana. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Woo. Look at that beast. Now that's a fight. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yes, high five it.
Woohoo!
So, Josh isn't here, Big Trout. You guys have seen the videos, but we're starting a new tradition. Whoever catches the largest fish of the weekend is going to have the golden walleye can opener. So, new tradition started today. So far, Liliana is in the lead with a 36-inch pike. So, yeah, she crushed a 36-inch. It's about as tall as she is. So, we got the golden walleye, so we'll let you know who ends up with it at the end of the weekend.
Hold on, hold on.
Hold on. You gotta take deep breath. Deep breath. Pop them hard. Pop them hard. Okay. Yep, you're good. Oh, he's off. No, keep pulling. Keep pulling. You're good. You're right. Okay, keep pulling. You're doing great, bud. We gotta give him to the hole. Yet. Here, center of the hole. Center of the hole. Oh, yeah.
Hand.
What's that, keeper?
I don't think so, bud.
Oh, and the release.
Bye. There you go. That was easy. You got him out.
And the release.
No, I want a hole.
Here, see if I can tail him. Oh, nope, not like Heller. Here, let's see here. Hold on. Oh, can I get him? Can I get him? Can I get him? Be calm. There we go.
It's a keeper.
He didn't go down.
No.
Nope. We're going to help him here. So we're going to squeeze him like this so he swallows his air sac there. We can get him back down.
I want to take a picture.
But we're going to get him back in the water. We got a lot of pictures. I tell you what, how about you release him because we want him to grow and get bigger. Squeeze his cheeks. Squeeze him. Okay. Now put him head first down that way. Okay. Let him go. Look at that.
Nice.
See him swim away? Nice work.
How's it feel?
Another smaller one. I'm going with a 13.
Nice. Is it the same guy?
Kind of looks like it. Oh yeah, there she goes.
Hold
Get it
it.
tight.
You let him go. Oh, no, he didn't. He's on.
He's on.
He's on.
See him down there.
As long as you don't pop his.
See him down there. Let go. Let go, little man.
This water is.
See?
You should try it on
Yeah.
the next one.
Little guy.
Boom.
Back down the hole. We call these torpedoes.
Well, that
Well.
torpedo turned.
Here you go.
There he goes.
He said,
We're playing school.
I love it. Snow school. Yeah, bud.
So, other two students,
What's up?
when I was today, I will still be in class outside to play with the kids.
You lost a tooth.
what's going on here, kids? This is literally one of the most... Yeah?
Attack the boy.
Guys, those look like the perfect
I don't think I've
snowballs.
ever seen... Look, hold on. Check this out here. When did you guys make that many perfectly round snowballs? That is insane. Okay? That is nuts. Though, like that. Did you just form those with your hands?
No.
Okay. That's pretty darn cool. Here they come.
Oh my God.
Get them.
Chaos.
All right, guys, we are moving. So we didn't get, we were chasing some bigger fish this weekend. We're just getting into the smaller ones like crazy. So what we're gonna do right now, we're getting all the fish houses up, as you guys can see. Here, ours is up behind us, and everybody's getting theirs up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go move right now to a different spot that we found. We think we'll have some bigger fish out there, so just kind of get ready for the evening bites. So sometimes you have to do that where, again, like we were catching a lot of smaller walleyes for the kids and they're having a great time, but we kind of wanted to get a little bit of bigger fish if we can. So Tay and his brother-in-law Tyler went out, a different Tyler, went out and scouted some area, and so we're going to head over to there to see if we can maybe get into some bigger fish this afternoon and overnight. We'll let you know how that goes.
Are we moving?
Yeah.
Where are we headed?
We're heading to a new spot because our other one, the dads thought that we weren't catching fish, but we haven't even caught a little perch, so it was fine.
Oh, James is so sleepy.
Wake up.
The ice
Wake up.
fishing.
Yeah, I know it is so. Let's go.
There's Grandpa Denny.
Ouch! Ow! 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 Ouch! Owie! 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 Mom.
All right, here's the swarm of houses. There's the Hellers. We're all set up right here, about to get set up. There's Hollywood Tates, Pearson, Somervold, Britt's brother Tyler, Ingus Mo. There's Grandpa Denny, and behind them's the Blueberry, the Berknesses. There he is right there. The whole convoy's moving out. We're getting set up. Hopefully this spot will yield more results. We'll catch up with you.
Number one.
You want to see something cool? Stay right here. Oh, Liv.
Oh, look. Yeah. All right. One more.
Yeah.
There he is, 6 years old, spitting rain out here. Kids are over there playing. He doesn't care. James, what are you doing out here, big boy? Fishing? All right, he's out here jigging with Dad, getting after it. We got a few tip-ups set out. James is jigging right there. I'm jigging right here, as you guys can see, and John, probably tough to tell, is way off in the distance over there. But we're getting after it.
Oh, there they go. Hope they catch some fish.
Here we go. Here we go. This is a bigger male. I don't know how big he is. He's not huge, but.
Here, I'm gonna get to the side, yeah?
Oh, actually, he's pretty nice.
Okay. Fish, I'm just gonna go over here. Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
Not a giant.
There you go, Heller.
Nice.
Nice work, buddy. Got him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah, hold on. This work?
Man, thanks.
Let's see. I got you right here. That's why I went back to the truck and got those bad boys. Okay.
Dude, it's so windy.
I know. All of a sudden I was like, he's feeling this Jenny. He's kind of trotting over there. Here, sorry.
Good.
Got that.
Yeah, definitely had him.
Come on, man. Okay. There you go.
Sweet.
Here, let's see. All right, John, way to go.
Nice.
Rock and roll. Perfect. Get him back down there. Nice work, Heller. Hey, nice way to go, man. Nice
Sweet.
job.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'd keep that one.
Yes! Yes, I can!
Okay, hold on.
Here. Well, that one's. You got that one good.
Thank
Good
you,
job.
Give me this.
Here's the middle.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Go put on a bucket outside.
Good job,
man.
bud.
Way to go, James.
You're gonna get your feet all wet.
Pop it. Got it.
Got it?
Girl, Skinner.
Hey, you're moving the. I think it's in the stone. What's wrong? This? Oh, yeah.
What is it?
It's a. Wow.
Pull it up. Let's see it, girls.
Yeah, this is a caper. Wait.
Let's see, Lily. Awesome.
It went
Tyler.
right through his brain.
Ugh.
It
Gross.
did? Let me see.
Yeah, well, if it's buried and it's gonna die, then yeah, we'll keep it.
Nice.
Players have one?
Good lad.
It's gonna keep it. Dad, I can't open these. It's dead. It's dead. It's dead.
Come on.
Yeah. Nope, just a false foot trip. Just a false trip.
I do, boss. I do have one. It's not crazy. Oh, shoot. I might have lost her. Yeah. Yeah, same here. Right. Good news is your sucker's still good.
Well, how much have we?
Yeah, baby boy. What are you doing? You all cozy?
How much fish do you keep her?
You all cozy? Yeah. There we go. What's the report, Tay?
I think it's gonna be a good night.
All right.
I just caught a
The
keeper.
big girls are gonna roll in about 9:30
Hey, this is
until midnight. I think it's gonna be good.
All right. All right. All right. All right.
A good one. That's a good fish.
Let's check her out here. Sorry, that's the best I got.
I knew that 25-inch ruler was gonna one day not be enough.
Oh yeah, just over 27. Almost 28. Yep. Just shy of 28. Guess that big girl.
28.
Yep, I got good pictures.
Good picture.
Yep.
Okay. See
Yeah.
you later back down, guys.
Aim it that way.
All right, guys, we are at the hot time to bite here. James just picked up a walleye, didn't you, James? Good job, buddy. He's excited. I got my tip-up set out there, our tip-ups, and so we are just watching those. I'm going to head back outside and keep monitoring the tip-ups. And, yeah, a lot of little walleyes popping. The kids are inside here. We got the girls over there. The girls over there are playing cards. Randy's getting some popcorn ready. Got a classic on the TV. And there's big man James right there. All right, guys, we'll keep checking in here as the evening continues. Hopefully we'll bring you back some more big fish on film here. Woo-hoo. There we go. All right, it is wind down time. We are watching a little bit of old school TV. Randy's just hanging out on the couch there. I'm jigging right here. Yeah, we had about 30-mile-an-hour winds with major gusts right now, so just kind of cozying in for the night and gonna head to bed here, and hopefully we get some big fish overnight. We'll check in with you in the morning. Welcome back. It's a beautiful morning here in sunny Florida. We are out in the, oh my gosh, it's not a beautiful morning. Oh boy, look at this out here. Oh, you can't see, there's, nice. Really, here we go, 3 miles, there's a 4-mile wind gust. There's a whiteout out here. Woo! It's not horrible. Had to use the heat gun this morning. Used the heat gun this morning to get the front used, so I put a fan on that to get outside the fish house because it was closed and shut. Thanks to everything's working. And I got to put this like in my videos. Oh boy. Oof. So yeah. James doesn't care though. He just wants to get up and fish. So
Where's my seat?
I'm gonna get
kind of slowly start packing up here a little bit. I'll put some lines down for the kids, but yeah, on days like today, you got to maintain safety as a priority. So we're gonna talk to everybody else and work together, put a plan to get off the lake. So we use an app called Navionics. I'll maybe film a little bit of that in the car and have Randy film to show. You got a fish? Oh, there's a fish right there. Have Randy show you what things are looking like. So I will kind of how we use that. So when you can't see it, it's a whiteout condition. Obviously, you got to go very slow, but you got to use technology if you have it to your advantage. We can barely see the shoreline, and obviously you don't want to get super close to the shoreline when you're pulling big fish houses too, because there's debris and things that stick up. So we're gonna use Navionics. We'll convoy as a group off the lake here and make sure everybody gets off safe, and we'll kind of keep you guys involved in that process as well. But man, what a change of events weather-wise. So you got to be prepared with all this extra gear. We'll check in with you a little bit later.
It's cold, windy. Just another day on the lake. Let's go! Come on! Put this up. Get you in the truck. It's a beautiful day in Minnesota, or South Dakota, actually. Let's go! Woo! Yeah! A little bit of a drift here. Woo!
There they are, lining up.
What happened?
Here we are exiting the lake.
Reminds me of a time when I was young, driving home from Lieback's ice fishing in Minnesota off Mille Lacs. Eddie came out and warned all of us that we needed to leave immediately or we'd be stuck there for like 3 days. We were in a tourist station wagon driving home, and I remember my dad telling my mom to close her eyes and sit back and be quiet because we were busting through 1 to 2 foot snow drifts on the highway because he had to work the next day.
The things we do for fish. Living that adventure.
With his Frappa Yappa Mochaccino. Thanks for joining us on another episode of Midwest Family Outdoor Adventures. As you guys saw, we had a lot of fun with the kids, fun fishing, and definitely was interesting getting off the ice. I'm so thankful for that group and the years of fishing knowledge and experience they have. And it's just another reminder that Mother Nature can kind of dish out whatever it wants at any time, so always have to be prepared. We were very safe getting off the lake and thankful that we made it out okay. One thing I wanted to call out right away is that because of the weather, we kind of shifted our priorities and weren't able to hand out the golden minnow. I kept referring to it as a golden walleye in the video, but it actually is the golden minnow. And Liliana, congratulations, Lily, is the recipient of the golden minnow for this past weekend. She will be receiving this next weekend when we meet back up with her because she caught the largest fish, a 36-inch pike. So congrats again, Liliana. We're so proud of you. And you will have the golden minnow until we finalize next weekend fishing. We are headed out again this upcoming weekend here to continue our ice fishing series with the kids, and it'll be another adventure. We hope you tune in to join along. Creating this content and sharing our adventures with you is such a passion, as you guys can tell, for us. And if you like what you saw today, please don't hesitate to hit the like and subscribe button, and then also click the bell notification so you're made aware when new content comes out. As always, someday isn't a day of the week, so make sure you get outdoors today.